guys. I'm being rained. So hard. The things we do for food. Hey, what's up, Shanty Fam? Welcome back to the Shanty Show for more lit content. Before we get into it, guess who's back? Who's back? I am back. I am back and I am better. You feel me? So guys, today we're basically going to try out some food, like some burger. I don't know, but then there's like I don't know, is it a restaurant? It's not a restaurant, it's a shisanyama. Yes, it's a shisanyama. I was trying to figure out a word. So it is called wings. What? Wings Core, I think. The Wings Core. They even gave me a menu the other day because I did not have money. I was like, I'm going to come back. But today, because I have money, I'm going to try out the food. So I don't know what I'm going to buy, guys. I'm excited. So you guys will work with me and we go buy the food together and we're going to come back and eat. You feel me? So I hope you enjoy the vlog. Let's rock. Well, I'm about to leave. Just looking at myself. Guys, I'm so disappointed. And I'm so hungry because I've not eaten since morning and I was like, I'm going to buy there and eat. The place is closed. Are you for real? Are you kidding? Ugh, I don't know what I'm going to buy now. I feel like I'm going to buy pie. Like, I wanted to try something new. The place is closed. Why? I'm so annoyed. So let us go to the garage together. So I'm going to walk to the garage. I have no choice. Guys, it's raining and I don't have an umbrella. Oh my god. Look at me. Now I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna walk. You won't believe. I am so wet. Like, I don't know if I can show you. I don't know if you can see or something. But yeah, when the sun. Like, my trouser is wet. Like, I'm not too wet, but then the things we do for food. Let me change and then I'm gonna show you what I bought. It's nothing too much. Like, I'm gonna show you. Let me change. Let me dehydrate. I'm joking. Let me change. Let me yeah. I'm back and I changed. Oh, this rain. Mind you, it just stopped right now. Like, I'm like, why were you even raining in the first place? Oh, it's so annoying. Because I got red now. Having to like it's nothing like too much. So guys, this is what I bought. So let me show you. Bye. And it's 33 rands. And I go pop. I don't know, it's already pop, but obviously with tissue. So I don't know what I'm going to eat with I don't know what I'm going to drink with this pie. Like, I think I'm going to drink nothing with it. Like, I'm just gonna eat the pie alone.
Take it easy, dog.
So guys, let us eat together. I'm opening it. Damn! If you want to make me happy, buy me a pie. Guys, I love pies with my heart, with my soul, with my mind, with my everything. Okay, guys, let us eat. I'm only left with 10 rand. I had 50 rand. And I'm left with 10 rand. Oh, let us eat together. This is to drink because I cannot eat all this pie and drink water. I have to make a plan. I'm coming. So guys, I asked my brother to buy me a small can, and mind you what he did? He went and bought me an energy drink. When I asked you to buy a cold drink, specifically Coca-Cola. Yo, shame. Let's cold drink yakho na mosi. Uthura ndiyani? Eyani?
Natural money, not all that.
10 rand switch. How? What's that? Dragon! Dragon! Yo, Kazini. Dragon. Yo, let's go make us hambele. As I'm listening to those. Otherwise, this is my pie and my dragon. I don't know. Why am I so high? Let me pick up. I'm not a big fan of. I'm not in. What's around? It's a bit intriguing. It's not that I like my half pie. Oh. Listen, I don't like dragon. It's sitting here. What's the place now? Ooh, guys. Mind you, this is 16 rand. Okay, next door.
Ice cream,
Khona namanje. Khona. Agcina nini kuyithana? At this moment, I feel like I should have went and bought a Dagut. Because what? But this is not bad. You know. Excuse me. Kazin. Umuntu uyakhula yazi. Like, look at my face. It's changing. My face is changing. My face is changing. No, my face is changing. Like, I'm actually growing up for real. Like, I'm so crazy. Anyways, should we finish this lollipop? This pop, sorry, pop together. Cause I feel like why? Aye. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. You know, and I'll be posting more videos from now on. You know, let us get to 30k subscribers. Hard, and you know, 30 subscribers. Because I have 29 subscribers now. I'm only left with 1 subscriber to get to 30. So let us get to 30 subscribers. Thank you for watching. And the word of the day is God is good. Whatever you're going through, never give up, because God knows your future. So when I don't stress too much about tomorrow, don't stress too much about tomorrow, because God knows what is meant for you. God knows what you came here on earth to do. So we're now just relax and enjoy this present moment, because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. What if the world will end tomorrow? We don't know. So enjoy the moment.